Yeah, well, you know, it's Sunday and I thought I'd just get into a little bit of watch wanking before I start working on my motorbike, which has got some problems. This little Seiko SNK805 field watch I bought some time back now. And at first I really had a few struggles with being able to read the time, and I've since fixed that by changing the hands. These are like essentially a copy of hands from a 1970s or 80s Citizens Diver's watch, but these new hands just really increase the legibility of the watch. You know, you can just at a glance instantly spot where the hour hand is, and at a glance you can see much more accurately where the minute hand is pointing to, because, you know, previously that was complete crap. But the other thing that I've changed on it, keeping the green theme now, is the NATO strap. It had an original strap which was quite pleasant, but it does get fairly dirty fairly easily, and I decided to do my usual modification of the NATO strap to cut off the vestigial appendix that's, you know, kind of there, that does friggin' nothing. And I've cut it off because it actually makes the watch a lot easier to get on and off. It makes it sit more comfortably on your wrist with only one layer of fabric underneath it. It does actually also give the watch a little bit of protection from the sweat of your body, because, you know, there's that layer there now, right? So your watch doesn't get as gunked up. And in taking it off, you know, not even taking the strap off, in taking it off, you can actually see your spring bars neatly, and you can put a tiny spot of machine oil on there. I use a product called Lanox, which is actually pretty good, and it kind of, I just apply it very briefly with a little bit of a drop on the end of a toothpick, and it goes in and out, and will get sucked in by the capillary action. So this is now like fundamentally a great working watch for someone who wants something that the Americans will call a beater. Yeah, look, I think that the best thing you can do with one of these little guys, if you want just a really good, reliable, low-cost field watch, is get the SNK805 or whatever particular color scheme you like. You know, 803 and an 809 and an 807 all exist. Get yourself a NATO strap, cut the arse off it off, and voila, you got a good watch. Okay, well, now it's time to look at the clutch on my motorbike.